Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to use Touch ID for the App Store purchases on your iPhone and iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, let me show you here. When I want to install the app, it's asking for the Apple ID password again and again. So how to use Touch ID instead of password? Just cancel it and then go back and follow the instructions. Firstly, open up here Settings app on your device, and then what you have to do is just scroll it down, and here you will see the option like this: Touch ID and passcode. So tap on this, give here your passcode, and then first of all here what you have to do is just add a fingerprint here by placing and replacing your finger here at the home button. And then after adding your fingerprints, what you have to do is here you can see I have already added my fingerprint here. So after this you have to turn the toggle on for the iTunes and App Store here. So here what you have to do is for one time you have to give your Apple ID password, and then after that go for the second step. Just go back and here scroll it here, and here is the screen time, so tap on this, and now scroll it here and tap on content and privacy restrictions. And now here is the iTunes and App Store. So here required password always required and don't require. So check here at always required, and then go back, and here in the App Store let me download here. So as you can see it's asking for the Touch ID. So that was it for the today video. So if the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.